7 reasons to use retinol. Number 1. Anti-aging miracle, wrinkle reduction. Retinol is effectively used to reduce fine lines and wrinkles by slowing down the aging process of the skin. It provides a young and vibrant appearance by increasing the elasticity of the skin. Number 2. Acne and pimple treatment. Retinol is a powerful ally in fighting acne and pimple problems. It can prevent acne formation by cleaning pores and regulating sebum production. Number 3. Balances skin tone. Are you struggling with uneven skin tone? Retinol can correct pigmentation issues and help balance skin tone. Number 4. Accelerates cell regeneration. Retinol can revitalize dull and lifeless skin by accelerating the skin's cell renewal process. It is an ideal choice for a brighter, younger, and healthier skin. Number 5. Repair sun damage. The use of retinol is recommended to repair skin damage caused by the harmful effects of the sun. It can reduce sunspots and protect your skin from sun damage. Number 6. Increases collagen production. Retinol can help skin tighten and increase elasticity by stimulating collagen production. This makes the skin look younger and plumper. Number 7. Strengthens skin barrier. Strengthening the skin barrier means increasing the skin's defense system against external factors. Retinol can increase the skin's resistance to external factors by improving its barrier function. Retinol is an essential element of skincare and an ingredient that offers truly tremendous benefits. However, there are some points to consider when using it. Remember that every skin type is different, so it is important to consult an expert before using it.